What is the role of the chiller compressor? In industrial chillers, the role of the compressor is crucial. It absorbs the low-temperature and low-pressure refrigerant gas that absorbs heat and vaporizes in the evaporator, and drives it through the motor, turns it into high-temperature and high-pressure gas, injects the only power source into the entire refrigeration cycle, and then discharges the gas into the condenser. Without the continuous work of the compressor, the entire refrigeration cycle will be completely shut down. Therefore, the compressor is the core component at the chiller, and its performance directly affects the whole machine, the refrigeration efficiency and operating life. When selecting, be sure to match the compressor type according to the working conditions, and ensure the system is efficient and reliable from the source.